Hey guys, I'm back. Today I got a package in the mail, and today I'll be unboxing it with you, and this is my very first unboxing video, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, so I have a butter knife with me, but I do not know how good that'll work, but let's attempt to open it up with it. Okay. Okay. Okay, could you guys guess what it is? It is the Jakks Pacific Dragon Ball GT Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta figure. And oh wow, they even added a little keychain as a little bonus. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, here's the actual figure. I'm very excited. This was supposed to come in July, but it came today, surprisingly. So yeah, I will be doing a review on it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my very first Dragon Ball unboxing video. I will probably be doing more because I will be getting tons of other Dragon Ball figures. So yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe, and until the next video. Bye guys.